Hello, I'm Rebekah Borucki, and I'm so pleased to share my meditation for peace and calm, adapted from my first book, You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life. Simple 4-minute meditations for inspiration, transformation, and true bliss. The purpose of meditation, especially for those struggling with stress and anxiety, is to learn how to focus attention on fewer and fewer things until the focus is placed on only one thing. Repeating mantras, using visualization, and practicing simple breathing techniques are just a few methods that allow you to free yourself from the distraction of a busy mind and a chaotic environment. Once you've created a regular practice and can focus your attention on a single thought, you'll find that accessing inner peace is easy. A lot of people think meditation is about relaxation, but feeling relaxed is just another delicious bonus of the important work that's being done. Peace and calm are accessed through careful attention. Peace, as defined in the dictionary, is the freedom of the mind from annoyance, distraction, and anxiety. Learning to train your focus in the midst of unsettling events outside of your control is the essence of a meditation practice that can carry you peacefully and calmly through any challenging time. Stress and chaos are inevitable parts of life. We all deal with some degree of them every day. Ironically, chaos is pretty predictable. We can't control when it shows up, but we can prepare ourselves for when it does. For instance, the ocean is a wild, unpredictable, and sometimes dangerous place, but we can always depend on the ebb and flow of the tides. Allow your steady seat and this meditation to be your energetic anchor in rough emotional seas. Close your eyes if you haven't already and begin your meditation by bringing your attention to your natural inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. There's no need to change a thing, just observe your breath as it enters your body through your nose and exits past your lips. You're about to enter a sacred space of safety and protection. I'm going to offer you visualization cues to help you settle into place, and I'll offer a mantra to you at the end. This mantra will seal your practice and offer you protection from anything that tries to rock your boat. Sit up tall in your easy or comfortable seat. Your legs may be crossed, or you might want to settle into another position that's more suitable for you. Place your hands on your knees or thighs downturned or upturned to welcome positive energy. Now allow me to set your scene. You're sitting in a small wooden boat tied to a tiny dock on the shore of a beautiful tropical beach. The sun is low in the sky, and the horizon is vibrant with hues of red, orange, and hot pink. The water is a bit choppy. The breeze is steady through the trees, and the sound of seabirds fills the air. There's a lot to see, feel, and hear. It's a peaceful but active place. Feel your boat rocking gently in the choppy water. The rocking comforts you because you know you're safe inside the boat. With each wave that rolls into shore, the water becomes less and less choppy and your boat rocks more gently. Imagine that any thoughts or worries that enter your mental space are being carried in and out on those waves. As the wave rolls out, it carries the thought and leaves it to the vastness of the ocean, never to be seen again. with your effortless, long, smooth breaths until the water is completely calm. Inhale and exhale as the waves roll into shore and then disappear into the ocean. Notice the water getting calmer and calmer. Listen to the following mantra as I read it to you 2 times. Allow yourself to fully absorb the meaning and energy of the words. I'm like a boat on the ocean. My faith is the anchor that holds me steady. My thoughts are like waves. I allow them to roll under me, sometimes rocking me just a bit, but not carrying me away. I'm anchored faithfully in the here and now. Take a deep breath in and out with me. Inhale and exhale. Your mantra one more time. I'm like a boat on the ocean. My faith is the anchor that holds me steady. My thoughts are like waves. I allow them to roll under me, sometimes rocking me just a bit, but not carrying me away. I'm anchored faithfully in the here and now. You are now experiencing total peace and calm. You feel so relaxed in this moment. You are so happy you took this time to meditate and to treat yourself with love. You may stay in this place for as long as you'd like. And when you're ready, and only when you're completely and totally ready, you can open your eyes and return to your day. Thank you for meditating with me.